check into those investigating officers in the SIU, the most corrupt institution.
One day is one day. Julius Malema will become a president of South Africa, I believe. I believe this guy will become a South African president, and this guy is the right person. This guy is the right person. Forget about those other guys, political leaders, but the right guy is Julius Malema. You can listen when he's debating, you can listen when he's talking. He's a true leader.
Against the police and the security, you will meet your maker, because as government, we will have ceased to recognize your rights the day you take AK-47 on innocent people. Because our people are dying, the security is dying, the police who are honorable are dying. They don't get a firm support from your leadership. SIU extend jobs even when they finish investigation. Why? The investigated department is the one that is paying. Remember, SIU is unemployed without your proclamation. So if you don't make proclamations, they extend so that they can keep busy.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you.